check that out as well.
What is up, guys? We're back out here ready to make some money today. Look at all this fresh inventory. Not even listed yet. They're just getting this stuff out. It's not even listed up for sale yet. So we'll take a quick peek. Honda. See if there's anything we need. Mercedes is what I'm always into. C-Class. It's gonna have a good floor shifter. It's all there. We need to go ahead and grab this floor shifter right here. No one's been here yet. We can get this too. This sells pretty good as well. Headrest sell pretty good out of this car. Boom. Key, ignition. Yeah, this is a good car. We're gonna grab some parts off of this. This off. Let's pull this up and twist this little guy here. That slides off. And twist that off. Boom. Whoops, there's our shifter. It pops up just like that. Super easy. We got 10mm bolt here, here, and one up front. Let's make sure this is still good. We'll test. Perfect. It's definitely dirty, but should be good. Clean it up. All ashtray. This was a smoker, so ash and stuff gets down here. We'll grab a 10mm, pop those up. We're gonna have to cut this right here. This will slide out. We also want this too, but this is a little bit more tricky. We'll have to unbolt it here and try to disconnect it. We need to unscrew this ring. We'll keep this key together and sell it all as a complete unit. Probably pull the trunk lock off as well. All right, well, we took a few minutes, pulled the shifter. We also pulled the ignition out of here. I'm also going to take these pedals. I just sold a set of these for about 50 bucks. We'll pull these out. This is just a cover. This one's just a cover. It's just a 10mm bolt right underneath this cap. And we'll have that pedal set together. All right, and since this car is so fresh out here, it still's got the ECU. These are usually gone. We went ahead, cut the harness, took this guy, and we can sell this by itself, or we can match it up with the key and sell it that way. And then we have that. So we almost have all the keys. And one other thing that would be worth taking is this, but I don't know if I want to deal with all that right now. And then we'd have a complete set: key, ignition, ECU, trunk, everything. But that's enough on this. This was a freebie. I wasn't even thinking about this car, but let's go find some other stuff. It's made a bunch of money. All right, here is one of my favorite cars to come after whenever they come into the yard. This one's been here for a minute, but today we're going to take the valve cover off of this car. This is a 99 SLK Mercedes. The 4-cylinder does come with a supercharger, which someone came and got last time I was here. It was here. We're going to take this valve cover. It sells all day for 150 bucks. Here's our valve cover off our compressor, SLK compressor. I'm actually gonna take all the hardware with me. Wasn't that hard. Same thing, valve cover just around the top. I feel like valve cover is an easy way to get into flipping parts. Just find some good ones, and they're easy to take off. They're usually right on top and worth a couple bucks. We're actually going to refinish this one too, so I'm gonna use this as a project. But even in this condition, they usually sell for $150. If we look at this engine, this engine actually looks pretty good. The sad thing is they really don't command a lot of money, maybe $1,000 bucks, and that's shipping on your dime from what I've noticed. So not worried about that. This is a much better pull right here, and plus somebody already got the supercharger. And again, the supercharger is only worth about $300 and $350 shipped on eBay, and that costs about $160 to get out of the junkyard. So it's not a good profit to cost ratio. We'll probably revisit this car again in the future, but that's it for today. There's something else that's been on my mind. Let's see if it's still out here. All right, this hood on this 99 Z3 BMW has just, I've been thinking about it ever since I saw it. And today we're taking it with us. We sold all the body panels I have, so it's time to get some more ones. And this, I just think about it every day, how nice it is. And I was looking on eBay, they sell for like $1,000. I'm like, 1.5 sales per month. The inventory on eBay is 11, and most of them are blue. So there's 0 red ones, so I figured a red's gonna give us an advantage, and it's just in amazing condition. It's got the grills, it's got the vents. There's a little scuff right here, but I bet that's just dirt. That'll come right off. We'll wash this up. Vents, unfortunately the BMW logo is gone. Same on the other side. This is a flood victim car, so the body panels are in immaculate condition. We're gonna go ahead and get this off, load it up. This was my mission today, was to get this, so we're doing really good with all this bonus material here. All right, we got the hood all loaded up. These Z3 hoods are heavy and really awkward. They've got like the fender built into it, plus the extending grill for the size of this car. The hood is like 40% of the, and there we go. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back for this. We'll probably come back to this car, probably grab that next time. I got an idea on something I want to do with that, but it's going to be the last pull for today. I got to get this thing all the way out of here, and as you can see, this is my setup. It sucks, I'm by myself, but let's get going. I think we did pretty good today. All right, while I haul this heavy hood out of this junkyard and up a hill,